sing along if you would not eat. It's Picky Eaters edition. I'm a picky eater. I was a girl in a village doing
I
all
became a princess overnight. Now I gotta
figure out how to do it right. So much to see up in a castle with my family and school. That's just for you.